Hi everyone! Before starting the tutorial, I want to talk about our work on the previous videos. First of all, we started doing art direction, working out the idea of what kind of clothes we want to create. We used different reference for the clothes. We took different environment from ArtStation for the idea. Next, we used AI to sketch the clothing and environment. Next step, we looked at different videos of other designers to use their idea to create something new. Picasso says, "Good artist borrow, great artist steal." After editing our video idea, we began to develop blocking to understand how the camera moves and how our idea looks in general. Next stage was animation development, where we used programs like DAZ Studio, Mixamo and Cinema 4D. Next, we started to create clothes for our character and used the basic tools that can create any clothes. And for clothes, we prepare UV and UDIMs. These things are needed to create any textures. Now, let's create everything that we have created together. Let's get started. In our case, we have a first shot and second shot. So we need to just import our clothes. If you remember, we did in Marvelous Designer our clothes and just open. If you don't see, you need to just press on this box near camera and choose our clothes and press S. So we have a clothes and we have other stuff like that. And just bring boots and genesis. That, and we can delete this avatar. So we have clothes, you can see, boots and girl. Bring all of this, press Alt G and rename that. Just girl. Yeah, good. And before change size and move this character, we need to choose object, not model, because model is default. We need to move object and animation. Press object. Go back and change size, like press T and just hold left mouse and move. It's easy. Good. After that, press E and little bit go down, like that. We need to hide this figure. Choose this one and press this one. So, and I think we need to, choose our girl and move a little bit near this bottle, because when she dance, she kick this bottle. So, how we check our animation with this girl? So before, go to camera and press this box. And you can see 0:23. It's animation, this timeline for camera. You can see our camera is moved. But how we check animation for this girl? If you remember, we did in Marvelous Designer this character about maybe from 0 till 360. Yeah, and if you press play, camera animation is stop, and from few moments, girl started dancing. Yeah. So I think in our case, our girl moved very slow, like slow motion. And how we change speed for this girl? It's easy. Just open that choose all of this, and we have speed. You can see. I think we can change maybe 400. So go back and press play. Little bit faster. So maybe 370. I think it's good. She dancing. Yeah, it's more naturally. So how we fix our camera animation and animation with this girl? I think we need to just press window and choose timeline top sheet like that. So if you don't see all of this, you can just press view, and in your case I think will be user mode, but you need to choose automatic mode, Alt A. And after that we need to understand, if you press Alt and you see middle mouse, if you press Alt and right mouse, you can move. So how we understand when she start to move? I think she start maybe on 45, for example. I know that she start early, but we need to understand this T-pose, but she start about maybe 45, yeah, like that. So we need to bring all of this animation, camera animation, and move like that. You can see. So if we just bring that and move, we can see. This is final step. So I think it's not correct, because our animation must be on this situation. Yeah, maybe that, like that. Because on the second shot, so in our case this second shot, she little bit dance and kick. You understand? I need to show that. So we need to just bring all of this camera animation and move 33. So in our case, our animation, camera animation, start to move 41, and we can change 41 frame and just check. So press play, she dance, and stop. So go back to uncheck like that, and you can see where is this bottle and she. So just bring this girl and move. Like that. Yeah. Like that, something like that. So go back our camera. I think we need to change size for this girl. Press T, a little bit bigger, something like that. Yeah. And go back. We need to understand where is she's last touch. Yeah. Press E and move a little bit. Maybe something like that. I think it's good. So, and go back to frame 33, and don't forget 33 and check. So press just play, she dance and kick, she, and this is last frame. So on the second shot, so from camera, she dance and kick, dance, kick. This one, 33, is last frame. And we need to, on the second shot, start from this pose. You understand? So go to the second shot, for example. So also we repeat the same stuff, like import boots and genesis and go down, goes up, sorry, delete that and bring all of this, Alt G, and rename that like girl. And press on this box. So where is our girl? Our girl is here. So, and I think we need to press T. But don't forget to change from model to object. Maybe before change this size we need to press E and move with this figure. Like that, yeah. And after that we can change our size. It's easy. Like that, yeah. Press E and go down. So I think we can hide this figure. If we press play, yeah, we understand that our bottle start to just jump. Also, we need to change speed for this girl. If you remember on the first shot, our speed 370. Also repeat this speed with this girl. 370. And I think it's good. So, and don't forget to change maybe 370, sorry, 360, and check our animation. She start dancing, kick. This one is the last touch. So I think when she touch this bottle, I think we need to move this girl backside. Yeah. A little bit. Something like that. So, and we need to fix our camera animation. Here you see. Go back. Yeah. So we need to fix camera animation and animation with this girl. Just press window, timeline, top sheet. So our camera animation in this bottle starts from 0. You can see it. But our girl start dancing a little bit later. I think we can start from this maybe 63, maybe, but we need to check that. So if we choose 63 and press play, boom, no, nope, maybe a little bit early. So we need to see that from camera. She dance and kick. Yeah, I think it's good. Dance and kick. Maybe a little bit early. Again. Dance and kick. Yeah, it's good. But we need to understand when she touch this bottle. So, and move our girl. Like that. Yeah, something like that. And from camera. So, play again. Go back. Boom. Good. Also, go to timeline. So I think we can start maybe from 60. Maybe 59. Yeah. Boom. From 59 till 84. 84. Just close that. Dance and kick. She dance and kick. So I think maybe I think I need to a little bit smaller this girl. Press T like that, because on the first shot she not so big with this table, something like that, and choose our position. Last touch. And move. Go back from camera. Press play. Yeah, good. I like that. So we are ready to import our project Signware project to Unreal Engine. Just press Ctrl D, go to Signware. You see, I think default is unchecked, but we need to choose all of this and change resolution, size, 200, 2048 and 60. Also repeat the same stuff. Go to Signware, and 60 and object, and before export project you need to check frame. Default is maybe 30 and you need to change 25 also on the second shot. So I think it's good, yeah, and we are ready to export our project. So we can delete this figure, and also on the second shot delete that. And just go to first shot, file, save project for Signware. For example, you create first shot and rename Signware, something like that, and press save. Yes. Also repeat the same stuff with second shot, like that. Our project for Unreal Engine is ready. So create new project. And now I need to show some interesting and important thing. Before we do export to Unreal Engine, merge our clothes. So just repeat the same stuff, delete this one, and check our FPS, just press Ctrl D, change 25 like that, change also this frame about like that, because our animation I think will start from here maybe. So also change phone. I need to show some artifact, like you can see like that, object and phone, change 180. Yeah, we fixed that. Good. So, and after we need to change speed. For this animation, go to object. If you remember, we did 370. Good. Yeah. And after we can check UV, our clothes and girl and shoes. Before do that, just rename. So go to UV edit. If you press cloth, you can see we have a UV and with UDIMs. But what about girl? We don't have anything. Also shoes. So go to standard. And if you remember, we export our OBJ from Marvelous. Now we need to rename that OBJ and turn off, like press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and left mouse. Okay. So before copy all of this material to our clothes, we need to choose our clothes, girl and shoes, for example. And it's important moment, you need to remember that. Press C. You can see we change. And after press Shift and choose all of this and press Ctrl. Just copy. Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's work. And now we need to create UV for our girl and shoes. Go to UV edit, choose our girl, paint setup wizard, disable all of this. Without girl, we create UV for girl. Go to next, uncheck, next, also repeat and change size. Yeah, finish. As we can see, we have a UV for girl. Also repeat the same stuff for shoes. Paint, also disable that, only for shoes. Next, next, same, finish. Yeah, you can see we have a UV for shoes. Go to standard, choose model. So I think we are ready to export Unreal Engine, and we need to export all of this separately, like clothes, girl and shoes. So, and I need to show some interesting and important thing again. You can see 0. And when you export to Unreal Engine from Cinema, you need to press 1. Yeah, it's important. I don't know why, but when you export from 0 and in Unreal Engine import project, you will be some problem with Alembic. So we fixed our problem, and now we need to check our animation. Just press play, and she must dancing and kick. Yeah, I think she finished 83. Change 83. Yeah, we are ready, and just press cloth, export, Alembic. Pay attention, start frame from 1 and end frame 83. It's a default settings and press OK. Choose location. I call that ABC Clothes. Save. Also repeat the same stuff with girl and shoes. Export, Alembic. Make sure that your settings is good, like frame. Yeah, press OK. Yes, great! We are ready to go to Unreal Engine, and for the next tutorial in Unreal Engine we will install some plugins and get the program ready to go. I think it will be interesting to make the environment and prepare it all for texture and light. Yeah. So, I think you liked the preparation process, because I do it for you, my friends. If you have any question, write in the comment and you can join our community in the Discord. So, see you soon.